Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on this laptop. To do that, open your default web browser, which is Microsoft Edge. Then open the search engine, for example Google, and here search for Google Chrome. The first search result will be the Google Chrome web browser on the official google.com webpage. Open it, then scroll down and select Download Chrome. The installation file will begin to download, and once it's downloaded, you can open it and click Yes, then close the browser and wait until the download and installation process is finished. And after the installation process is complete, you can decide whether you want to sign in or not to sign in to your web browser. Now you can set your Google Chrome as a default browser if you click right here, or you can skip the step by clicking right here. Then you can either turn on or turn off the Edge privacy feature. Then click Got it, and you are now free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.